Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to show you how to install the new Outlook app on your Windows desktop. Quick and easy. First open the Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. Now look at the left side of Edge. Click on these dots to open the apps menu and then click on Outlook. Once you are logged in, click on three dots at the top right corner of the Edge browser. Go to Apps, then click Install Outlook. It will now install the Outlook app on your desktop. Once it's done, close all windows. Now go to your desktop and double click the Outlook icon to open the app. And that is it. You have successfully installed the new Outlook app on your PC. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips.